Welcome back to my channel. Within today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a non-sponsored, unbiased Tiffany's unboxing. So I ordered 2 items from Tiffany and Co. The first is going to be some cleaning mitts, guys, and this is basically just like a polisher for any of your sterling silver jewelry that you purchase from Tiffany's. The second thing that I ordered from them, which is the bigger purchase, is going to be their chain length heart pendant necklace. And guys, this retail at a total of $625, and I am so excited to see how she looks on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the ribbon, and there's gonna be a link for it in the description box. Guys, it is wrapped so pretty. Tiffany and Co. Okay, looks like it comes in this little cute bag. And I have a cute little Tiffany and Co. card in there. Oh, this is for the care of the sterling silver. So, yeah. And cotton. All right, so there's nothing more in there. So let's see how the necklace looks on the inside in this cute little pouch. Oh, guys, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. Guys, it's a little scuffed up though, honestly. I don't know if the scratches are picking up on camera before you, but it should not be this dinged up when I first received her. It looks like cat scratches are all over the pendant. Like, it looks like it's been worn and returned. Let me see about the chain. Oh, wow. When you order your pieces, especially when you pay over $600 for a necklace, you would think that it would be packaged properly. Maybe the reason why it's like that is because it was just put in my box and shipped to me. Maybe it should have had bubble wrap around it, or maybe it should have been in a plastic bag. I don't even know, but I am not happy at all. Yeah, so I need to reach out to the company because I'm glad I didn't have it engraved. I need to reach out to the company. Oh, this is approximately 5 days later after I shot part 1 of this video. Now, right after I cut recording, I literally reached out to Tiffany's that night and I spoke with the customer service representative. I believe his name was Chad. I explained to him that I received a defective piece and I was trying to seek instructions for how we should go about fixing the situation. His response was, "I'm sorry." Now, his "I'm sorry" felt more so like I'm saying I'm sorry because it's in my job description, not because I actually care. Now, he was not rude by any means necessary. I cannot say that, but yet at the same time, I just kind of felt like he was like, whatever, okay, ship it back. Second reason why I did not enjoy my customer service experience with him was because he told me that it would take 2 weeks for me to receive my new piece. And I said, well, when I initially made the order, it only took it about 2 or 3 days to get here. So why do I have to wait 2 weeks? His response was, because, man, we have to do a full investigation to see why this happened. It shows here that this piece was shipped to you from the warehouse. This didn't come from the sales floor. So I'm not sure how this even happened. Now, in my opinion, I felt like he was throwing shade. I'm like, are you trying to blame me for this? When it clearly shows you, it's attached to my email, that this is a new purchase that I'm making. So obviously I'm not lying. So anyway, I was done with that conversation with him really after he told me it would take 2 weeks for me to get a new piece. Next day, I sent pictures of how bad the scarring was on the necklace to customer service at Tiffany's.com or something along those lines, guys. I was stating how, it's my first time buying a piece from Tiffany's. This is what happened. How do we move forward, in fixing the situation? After I sent that email in, I picked up the phone and I also called customer service and I spoke with the lady. I told her that I had just sent in pictures of, the piece or whatever showing the defects of it. And her response was, "I'm so sorry, ma'am. We're going to get you taken care of. Can you forward that email to me with the attached pictures?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." Did that while we were talking. And she was like, "Oh, wow. No, ma'am. This was not supposed to happen. This is a brand new piece." And she assured me to ship it back. I would get a new piece. And not only would I get a new piece, but as well, she would ship it to me using overnight delivery as a compensation, for my trouble. And I was like, okay. And she said all I had to turn into her was the tracking number showing that the piece had been shipped off and that I would have it the next day. I did that on Thursday, I believe. I took a picture of the tracking number, and after I took a picture of the tracking number, I sent her another email with that attachment, and her response back to me was, "Hey, just as promised, a new piece is being processed to be sent to you. It will be delivered to you by Tuesday, April the 13th, 2021, which is today." So emailed her back and I said to her, "Hey, thanks so much for processing the new order. However, why is it not being sent to me using overnight delivery, which you stated that you would do for me via phone call?" She did not say one word back. The next day came, I noticed, which was Friday, she still had not responded to my email. Saturday comes, and I noticed I still hadn't received a tracking number. So I reached out to her again, asking her the same question about what happened to overnight delivery, as well as can I have a tracking number so I can see how my package is moving through transit. She never responded to any of my emails. Now, what do you call that? Is that great at customer service? Exactly. But anyway, let's hop straight into this unboxing of the new piece that you see before you, which I just received in the mail today. So let's cross our fingers and hope that it's right this time. Oh guys, the bows are so pretty on the box. Let's just hope that the inside of the box matches the pretty bows on the outside. Because if it doesn't, it's going straight back. Can y'all say straight back? It still scratches on this necklace. And not to mention, not only is it still scratches on this necklace, but it wouldn't even close. I know y'all saw that. I pulled it out the package and it was just dumped over in the inside of there. So, yeah. Let me get close. Well, y'all can see it. It's not as bad this time though, but it's still not right. So I'm not gonna send it back for another one. I'm not. I'm done with it. I really wanted a piece from this company, y'all. I really did. I was told that it was gonna be wrapped a certain way to make sure that it didn't have any scarring on it. Those were obvious lies. I'm wondering now if this is the same piece and just repolished, and they just shipped it back to me. I'm not wasting $625 on this. Yeah, it will be sent back. That concludes the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching.